helicopter.
Wow, typhoon was bad here in Japan. Typhoon time. Oh, scary.
The city has suffered extensive flooding. Land Ministry officials say a maximum of 6,900 homes are believed to have been damaged by the flooding from a broken dike. This footage was taken around 1 p.m. A white car was almost washed away. The driver was able to escape into neck-deep water and reach safety. He says his car filled up with water very quickly, and he opened the window and got out at the last moment. Stranded people are now being rescued.
Damn.
The first floor of a supermarket was inundated. About 100 staff and customers are reportedly waiting for rescue on the second floor. Muddy water is still flowing into residential areas in the city. Police are trying to assess the extent of the damage, but floodwaters are hampering their efforts. Good evening. Welcome to News 7 for Thursday, September 10th. This program will be extended until 8 o'clock. Record-breaking rainfall has triggered flooding, causing serious damage in various areas. The extent of the damage remains unclear. This is a map of Joso City, Ibaraki Prefecture. The Kinugawa River runs through the city from north to south. The dike was broken, and residents in several areas have been stranded. There are 100 shoppers at the second floor of a shopping center. 81 elderly people have been stranded at a nursing care facility. Some of them have posted messages on Twitter. Land Ministry officials say 6,900 homes are believed to have been damaged by the flooding caused by a broken dike. Let's compare the situation before and after the flooding. Roads and rice fields along the river are completely underwater. Joso officials have asked the neighboring city of Tsukubara Murai to set up shelters. We now go live to the area.